10 clever things to do with lemons. Welcome to our video on the versatile and powerful lemon. In this video, we will be sharing with you 10 different ways to use this citrus fruit in your daily life. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the many benefits of this amazing fruit. Cleaning copper. Cut a lemon in half and sprinkle salt on the cut surface. Rub the lemon over the copper surface, using the salt as an abrasive. Rinse the copper with water and dry with a soft cloth. Removing stains. Squeeze lemon juice directly onto the stain, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash the garment as usual. Freshening breath. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of water, and drink it. Disinfecting surfaces. Mix 1/2 cup of lemon juice with 1 cup of water. Use this solution to wipe down surfaces to disinfect them. Relieving heartburn. Mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in a glass of water and drink it. This can help neutralize stomach acid and relieve heartburn. Softening skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of sugar, and use the mixture as a gentle exfoliating scrub for your face or hands. Making homemade furniture polish. Mix 1/4 cup of lemon juice with 1/4 cup of olive oil. Apply the mixture to wood surfaces with a soft cloth, and then buff dry. Removing grease from kitchen appliances. Mix equal parts of lemon juice and baking soda to form a paste. Use the paste to scrub away grease on kitchen appliances. Removing dandruff. Mix the juice of half a lemon with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Massage the mixture into your scalp and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse and wash your hair as usual. Repel insects. Cut a lemon in half and place it in areas where you have seen insects, like ants or mosquitoes. The strong scent of the lemon will repel them. Soothing burns. Apply a few drops of lemon juice to a sunburn or other minor burn to help reduce pain and redness. So the next time you need a quick fix, just reach for the lemon juice. Thanks for watching.